Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest details about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its expected announcement in early 2025, there's a lot of excitement building around its new design and features. Let's explore everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have several design changes compared to its predecessor. It will be slightly taller, narrower, and thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The corners of the phone will be rounded, making them less sharp than those on the previous model. Additionally, the sides of the phone are expected to be flatter, giving it a sleek and modern look. These design tweaks not only enhance the phone's aesthetics, but also improve its ergonomics, making it more comfortable to hold in use. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to impress with its standout feature, the S Pen. According to recent leaks, the S Pen will be conveniently located near the edge of the device, enhancing accessibility for users. This strategic positioning allows for quick retrieval and easy use, making it particularly beneficial for those who rely on the S Pen for various tasks such as note-taking, sketching, and navigating the interface. The S Pen's integration into the Galaxy S25 Ultra distinguishes this model from other smartphones on the market. Unlike typical stylus offerings that may be cumbersome or require separate storage, the S Pen is seamlessly integrated into the phone's design. This means users can effortlessly transition from writing notes during a meeting to creating intricate drawings or diagrams on the go without any hassle. Additionally, the S Pen is not just a writing tool. It comes equipped with advanced features that enhance productivity and creativity. For instance, users can take advantage of Air Actions, which allow them to control certain functions of the phone remotely by simply waving the S Pen. This feature is particularly useful for multitasking, enabling users to navigate slides during presentations or control media playback without needing to touch the screen. Moreover, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to offer improved pressure sensitivity and latency with the S Pen, making the drawing and writing experience more natural and responsive. This commitment to enhancing user experience through the S Pen reinforces Samsung's focus on providing tools that foster creativity and productivity, ensuring the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out in a crowded smartphone landscape. In addition to the design and S Pen details, a clear case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been leaked. This case supports the design details we gathered so far, confirming the phone's slightly taller, narrower, and thinner profile, as well as its rounded corners and flatter sides. The case leak provides further evidence that these design changes are likely accurate, giving us a clearer picture of what to expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Release date. As for the release date, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be announced in early 2025. Samsung typically follows a regular release schedule, so we can anticipate the official announcement to come around January or February. This timeline aligns with previous Galaxy S series launches, allowing fans to start the new year with the latest and greatest from Samsung. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device with several notable design changes and features. From its taller, narrower, and thinner profile to the convenient placement of the S Pen, the S25 Ultra promises to offer a refined and enhanced user experience. As we await the official announcement in early 2025, these leaks and rumors give us plenty to look forward to. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.